Watching AVCT. M-bot. Scarlet red to green. Watch M-bot. M-bot $9 stock. Watch M-bot over 930. M-bot is spready a little, so watch. BFRI would have been okay for red to green. M-bot over 930. Keep watching. I'm in. Out. Okay. TOS is very laggy right now. M-bot is still going. It's really nice. Watch the drop off of 60. Watch that drop over 60. BFRI. BFRI is not bad. It's gonna drop again. TOS took a freaking second to close the trade. I don't know what's going on. Look at M-bot sold off at 60s. Everything is selling off. Everything is weak. Very weak. And I need to get back into the group. I need to get my coffee. I started late today. Had a rough night. Probably shouldn't trade crazy. But that's why I was late. I didn't even do my watch list. I just kind of peeked at the scanners. BFRI. HTH. Okay. I forgot to add the P&L window, so I'm gonna switch my scenes. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Added P&L. That's $20 on that last trade. On MBOT. AVCT red to green. MBOT again over 940. Just missing that trade. Look at that. Look at that sell off. Jeez. Yeah, the MBOT is all over the place. I don't like that. BFRI, maybe. Who knows? But let's watch it. Let's watch BFRI over 1346. It's a 6-cent spread. 1337, 1340s BFRI, 1340s. Watch for volume, 10 seconds until 1 minute. So let's wait. Is it gonna go without us? So the 37 and 46 range, 46. So watch 46 on 5 minute. Watch for that volume spike coming in. I'm in. Nope, I'm out. Watch BFRI. Watch more BFRI. Watch BFRI volume. I'm in. I'm out. Yeah, that was rough. Watch BFRI. I'm in. Watch BFRI. I'm in at 31. I want to see that break of 40. Is it gonna happen? Nope. It's happening right here. Watch. Watch. Watch 36. I'm in. Watch. Out. Yeah, I'm rebooting Thinkorswim. That was not a good that was a horrible fill, considering I got in at 31 and 32 and I got out at 32, and it was about 38, 39. So I'm gonna reboot Thinkorswim. Yeah, that was crazy. I tried to reboot and some of the windows wouldn't work. Did you see that BFRI move down? AVCT is moving. I actually anticipated that AVCT move, but I was not quick enough for it. Watch AVCT over 40. And we're gonna push again, 30 seconds, over 40. There it goes, there's volume. I wanna check and see how my fills are. Cause my fills are atrocious on BFRI. Over 40, watching. I'm in. Nope. Oh, yeah, it did go. The fills are okay. The fills are okay. At least on the AVCT. Alright, watch again. Watch 40. Watch 40. Is that just a quick pullback? I'm not expecting more than a couple cents out of here. High of day 40. Let's wait. There goes 40. I'm in. Out. No, the fills are still laggy. I'm in. I want to see 45. Nope. Still spready. There it goes. Yeah, the trading is not really nice right now. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I missed that AVCT. I don't know. AVCT entry was 4180, out at 4102. So it wasn't. It's just not. MBOT is very wiki. AVCT, break of 50. Yeah, I missed the AVCT. Watch 45. I'm in. Out. That's nice. It's moving up. Oh wow, a lot of sellers at 45. Wow, wow, wow. I'm in. Nope. See, I exited 25 out. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not a scalper friendly. There it goes. 47. Let's see 48. Let's watch 48. Everything is kind of choppy today. I'm in. I want to see that 50 break. Nope. Dang, 47, 46 entry. Out at 45. That was rough. LUCD. Let's see what LUCD has to bring. Over 555. That was kind of like initial pop. Look at AVCT. Look at those bottom wicks, and that's where I was getting out. There's no volume on the LUCD. Yeah. It's actually very spready too. 46.53. Wow. Not touching that. Yeah, AVCT is pulling back with every push higher. It might be a red day. There was no volume at all. I pushed my luck on AVCT for sure. BFRI got screwed by TOS on the fill side. And AVCT, even when you try to get out, it just takes a while. What is GNCA? Still watching AVCT over 50. Watch it over 50. Nope. Selling off. All right, well, gotta step back for a second and just regroup. All right, gonna go get my coffee. Be right back. AVCT is moving, I see. AVCT over 50. 24,000 share seller, 27,000, 12,000 at 52, 16 at 54. Okay, got to break those sellers. What's the high on the 5 minute? The high at 52. Are we going to test? There's a little mini flat top, 50. Are we going to break that 50? It might be a little concerning because there's a lot of stacked up sellers. All right, we got to break 50 and hold. That's what I'm waiting for. Break 50 into 52, pull back to 47, 48, and then push above 52 into the 60s. I'm not expecting 60, maybe 57. Was that stock? And I will see if maybe I will get in on the break of 50. If I get in at 49, maybe it's going to be a better average overall. $46. I'm in. Nope. I'm trying to get the bottom here. All right, 45. Are we gonna pull back? I'm in at 46.5. 46.5. Are we gonna break 50? I'm waiting for 50 break. I'm out. Yeah, that's not happening. 47, 48. There's a 4-cent spread. Bad entry. Really bad entry on think a swim part. Here's 50 coming up. I want to see a pullback. There's 49. Got 20 seconds until next 1 minute. There's 52, 54. I want to see pullback. I'm in. Out. Yeah, the bids are not moving at all. In at 54, out at 53. On a trending up, move volume up. Yeah, this is definitely not good. I'm not liking the way the market is right now. The possibility on AVCT is getting right here in the 50s area right now and holding it, potentially looking for that move up to 55 again. We're seeing build up. There's 52, 53. Oh wow, that was a good build up. Pullback. I want to see some pullback. I'm in. Let's break 55 into the 60 area. There it goes. I'm out. Okay, so I gotta look at the bid here, and I gotta get in on the micro pullbacks. The breakouts are not working out here. Yeah, the breakouts are definitely not working out on the AVCT. Like this breakout on 58, I'm not taking it. See that right there? I would have taken it. 59. Bid is still 58. Bid is still 58. So I'll be 1 cent down right now. Still 58. Look at that volume coming in and still 58. A lot of sellers. There it goes. Maybe 1 cent right now. Back to 58. So yeah, a break-even trade or a down 1 cent. I want to see what else is moving. AVCT is too difficult. There's 67. There's 67. Out of nowhere. Just out of nowhere, 67. $70. 73, 75. Wow. Really nice. Where do you get in? Maybe a pullback off of 63. The pre-market high. There it goes. 63. That was a 76 to 62. Great, huh? What, 14 cents? 14 cents flush on a $2 stock. How do you trade that? I feel out of place right now. I started late. I had issues with TOS again. Just didn't have that prep time for myself and didn't have coffee and just you know when you don't feel like you have everything aligned properly to start the day, kind of. That's how I feel right now. Plus wasn't sure what's up with the fills. Watch AVCT, maybe 65, but it's dangerous. 65 AVCT, maybe it was 500 shares. I don't want to take 1,000 because if I get 14 cent flush, at least it's not going to be $150. So 65, maybe a bounce. It's bouncing off of that MA. Let's see if that's enough for buyers to start coming in. There it goes. 63. No, I should have taken it. I definitely should have taken it. $67. It's not bad. It would have been a good 3 cent scalp. 68. RELI. Maybe something on RELI. $72. 75, 72, 3 cent spread. That's a nice add at 75 if you are into that. 74, I still like ABCT over 74. Watch that volume building up. So over 71. Watch if we're gonna get that volume build up. Are we gonna sell off? Are we selling off, or is it bounce? $66, $65, sell off, more sell off. Everything else is kind of selling off. ABCT, did you see that double top? RELI dips at 50 area. 60. So RELI is over 60. Watch 60. 61. Watch 61, the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. 61. The spreads of 4 cents, 5 cents. 13 seconds. I'm in. I'm in at 52. 52, 55, break of 60. Break of 60. Let's go break of 60. Nope. $71, $72, and ABCT. Still, I like 60, 58, 60. So I still like that 60 bounce off a VWAP. Let's see if it's going to hold 40s. 45, 20 seconds. It's going to hold VWAP, and it's going to hold 40s and break at 50. Still watching 58. Look at ABCT. ABCT is a joke. Look at these candles. That's where when you start fishing and you just use all the lures and all the bait, and you come home and you're like, I just spent $100 on bait and I came back with nothing, and my experience was horrible too. I didn't even enjoy it. So watch 58 here. Watch 58. We might try to get in earlier because 49. See, break of 49 and hold in that area. Watch. And look at the volume as well. It's okay if we break down here, just not too far. The fourth false breakdown of VWAP. False break. Watching. It's got to pop above 49 and then hold in that area. So we got to pop above 49 into that 50, 52, and then pull back to like 48 again. And then we got to see that volume peak over 60, which now looks like it's might not happen. Guys, hit a like. Doesn't cost you anything. It helps me. It helps YouTube algorithm to tell them, hey, this video might be useful for like-minded people. So even if you don't like it, hit a like. Mbot is pushing. I don't have my DAS today because I think I started at 9:30. Let's watch Mbot. Why not? Why not? Mbot. Look at this. Look at this. See, I don't have my dash to tell me when the halt is. Watch over 20. Mbot, there it goes, 30. Pullback. Watching for pullback. I'm in. Nope. Out. Watching. I'm in. Nope. Out. I'm in. Over 25. There it goes. Okay. I like the fills on it for sure. 40 break of 50. So the 50 is kind of the area of resistance here. We got to break 50. Is the halt moved up? Is it ready for the halt? I think it might be. It was touching the halt. I don't know. Like to not have the visibility into that stuff is crucial, because I'm trading blind right now. Literally blind. Watch 41. Watch 40's area. Watch for that consolidation. There it goes, 25. Watch break of 34. 50. Push over 30. I'm in. I'm in at 27. Out. Okay. Out. I'm in at 27, out at 27, yeah. Pull back. I'm in. Watch. Nope. Watch that 34.40 area. If we're setting up for another push, 20 seconds. So 34.40 area. Watch. I'm in. I'm taking a chance here. Nope. Alright, now watch 25. Still 34. So 25 and 34. So break of 25. There goes 25. I'm in. Alright, jeez. Yeah. I want to see that push over 40 again. I'm fishing for the 40. Watch 26. I'm in. Nope. Out. Watch 26. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in at 19. Watch 19. Watch. Watch. Out. No, not good. Still watching. Still watching MBOT. $23. There it goes. 27. I'm in. I'm in at 20. Out. Nope. I'm in. I'm in at 19. 16. 15. Are we going to push back up? 16. 17. Okay, watching 35 on MBOT. Watching 35. Watching 35 on MBOT. It's a flat top, so it might be quick in and out. Watch 35. There's a build up right here. Alright. Yep, missed that. Well, look at the bids were not holding at all. The bids were 29.25. Yeah. So the ask is moving up, but the bids are not. So there are no buyers. There were no buyers. And you see that it pulled back. Alright, there he goes. There's a break. Alright, watch 45.50. Is it going to hold? That's a 45. AVCT. $27. Yeah, that's a substantial pullback from 45 into the 13. It's not really scalper friendly at all. Guys, hit a like button. Just helps me in my channel. I'm just starting out, so very few subscribers, and any like would help. Alright, watching 30. Watching 30. Watching 30. Lots of sellers here. I want to see break of 30 hold and then break of 50. That would be a strong stock. And breakdown. Still watching 30, maybe bounce off a VWAP. Could have been a good dip buy. Yep. Let's see if it's going to hold the 29. I'm in. I'm in at 23. Out. Out at 28. Not bad. It gave me a decent feel. It was 26 on the bid. Still watching 30 here. Watch 30. Pull back. 25. Pull back more or no? 20 seconds. There it goes. No, pull back. Holding 27s. 23. Wow, 5-cent spreads. That would be the entry right now, right here. Yep. So watch that 35 again. Very choppy. So watch 35 into the 45 and see how 45 does, because that's a high of 5 minute. So watch 35. And watch 35. There it goes. 31. 33. Okay. Watch 35. Watching. $26. I'm in. I'm in at 19. And I'm out at 24. There it goes. That was a quick scalp. I'm actually surprised I got 19 fill because I clicked at 23, I believe, or 26. So 31 is still a good area to look at. So 31, 34 break and then hold. That's essentially what we're after. Still maybe a setup here, but like this thing right here, that's what I'm looking at. That 30. The build up, watching the build up. Build up and then pop over 30 into the 35, hold it, and then break the 45 into the 50. Essentially, that's what I'm after. Watching that 30. There you go. Pull back. Nope. That was sneaky. 24. Almost got in. There at 21. I'm in. Out. Alright. Watching 30s. Watching 30. Watching 30. There it goes. We're gonna see red. I'm seeing green. There it goes. I'm watching. See, that's in at 27, out at 27 and a half. It's been getting to me a lot. At 30, watch that 30 break. Bids are only moving. Yeah, bids are not hold. There it goes. Yes, no, bids are not moving. There it goes. $36. There it goes. There it goes. The bids. Yeah, you gotta watch that bid because the bid wasn't moving up in all these volumes, spikes. Wow, this spike came out of nowhere. Over 30. Wow. Alright, watch 35. Man, those swings. Those swings are brutal. Yeah. What started to be a green candle on 1 minute turned out to be red. And it looked like it was a good looking setup on 5 minute too. But now it's kind of not as good. Yeah, looks like Mbot is done. AVCT, should we play that one too? Alright, I'm gonna go on mute. I don't see anything setting up right now. I want AVCT to test 75s again. I want Mbot above 950. That's the two I'm kind of be watching. But right now I'm gonna go on mute. Very slow day, guys. Very slow. I don't see anything. Look at the Ambot selling off. AVCT. There's that flag right here. Something like this, maybe. You see this flag? Break of that 60 into that 70. But I'm not. I don't have high hopes for this because everything else has been dead. Guys, hit a like button. Any likes I get helps me, my channel. Just starting out. If you're on Twitch, hit a follow or say hi in chat. Tells Twitch that they're active people in the stream and just promotes my videos a little higher up the rank. Doesn't cost you anything. So today been kind of slow. I wouldn't say kind of. It was a rough start for me. Just not organized at all. I was trading AVCT. AVCT, and I'm down $34 on it. So overall, I'm down on all of the stocks about one. So I traded 4 stocks and I'm down on 3 of them. AVCT $34 down. RELI I'm down $4, and BFRI I'm down $8. I was up on BFRI 20 bucks, but then the fills, it was actually crazy. BFRI, I remember I saw the ask was like 10 cents higher than what my fill was when I got out, and that was just brutal. And I had 1,000 shares on BFRI I added into that push up. That was, yeah, it was definitely a rough slippage. Look at that sell off on AVCT. That's a break of that flag setup, bull flag. Maybe it was never a bull flag, right? We'll go on mute again. Just sitting tight, waiting for that volume spike. If that happens, if not, just probably gonna wrap it up around 12. RELI. Let's watch how this break turns out. So 35 to 38. Not good. Not good. Not good. COGX. Well, it looks like I'm late to the party. Let's see if that's a good pullback area. COGX 4-cent spread, 5-cent spread. Not sure about it. How does it move? High is 50. So 36.40s area. COGX. Let's see if the volume will come in. Maybe a 5-minute setup better, I don't know. It's kind of tough to gauge in this market. There it goes, there's a little build up. Let's see if it holds 30. 4-cent spread. Watch 33, 34. Is it gonna bounce? It's gotta hold at 26, there it goes. 36. We're gonna see volume or no? 5-cent spread. $31 to $36. 35. We're going to see anything, or is it just going to die down? Test of highs again would be nice. I'm not looking for a break of highs, but test of highs. Small share size. I wasn't expecting to bank on it. Looks like it held 20s. Let's see if it's gonna break 36 into the 40 and hold 30, high 30s. Volume is not looking good. Watching 30s. Nah, looks like it's HLTH. I like the MBOT setup. Do you guys see the MBOT? So MBOT is flat topping around this area here at 37, 38. See it? We might get into like 40s, 3 cents, but I don't know. The volume, look at the volume on 5 minute. Even on 1 minute, it's like tapering down. It's crazy. Well, it's not crazy, it's expected. But still watching for CODX to bounce here to test 50s. I don't know if I want to try MBOT again. MBOT's been iffy. But CODX, maybe a bounce here at 23, 27 now. Wow. At 31. Okay, 31, 33 into the 36. Let's see, the 5 minute setup is at 36. So watch that 5 minute break. Would have been nice to get into the high 20s somewhere. Well, there's 21. Still watching if it's gonna curl above 30. Stay above 30 into the 36. Just watch. Okay, it's building up. It's definitely building up. Let's see if it's just gonna continue to build up or I'm in at 27. Bid's at 26 right now. I want to see the bid hold and okay. There's not a lot of buyers right now. I want to see the buyers come in. Nope. Not seeing buyers. Still watching. Watching that 30 break. Let's see. 26. 27 on the ask. I'm in at 25. I want to see that 27 break. There we go. I want to see the bid go up. There it goes. That was not bad. Okay, so that's exactly what I was hoping for. I was fishing for that move. And I was waiting for the bid to move up. Bid was lagging behind. So watch test the 50s again. Watch it test 50s again. Is it gonna hold? Yep, it's holding. Well, not really. It didn't go up to 42. There it goes. Alright. Pull back at 37 or 30s is okay. And then if it doesn't hold that pullback in 30s, it's got to hold the 20s. It's got to hold the 23, 22, 21. Well, break of 42 right now into the 50. So quick scalp. That's it. I'm not looking for it to hold. There goes 43. 43. Are we going to see some volume in 30 seconds? Or should we wait for another 5 minutes? So watch 43. Break of 43 was volume. 37. Bids are going up 31. Nope. It's like indecision. Indecision zone. Still watching. Watch that curl over 40 on CODX. Watch the bid. There it goes. There's build up. Are we going to see more volume? Yep. I'm going in. Watching. I'm in at 35. In at 35. Waiting for that break. Bids. There he goes. There were the bids. Okay. 42 were the bids. That's good. Watch test the 50 again. There's 50. That's exactly what I was waiting for. I missed it. I was distracted. It was a text message. That would have been, well, I don't know. The bids were kind of, nah. The bids, I saw 53 on the level 2, but I didn't pay attention to bids. The bids didn't look like they went up to 50s. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. So bids are went up to 50 here. Watch for volume. I'm in. Watch. Nope. I'm out. Watch for this to hold. 48. 49, 39, 38. I want to see 50 again. 36. I'm in. I'm in at 37. Let's see if it's going to pop to 43 again. 44. In at 37. I don't want to see any red. There you go. That's what I want to see. Okay, 42. Out at 44. Very slow stock. It's like, compared to some other moves we saw, I mean, it's a slow market today too. So it's definitely seeing some buyers around 35s, but not enough. they always get pushed back. So people are shorting it above that break, which is expected. That's fine, and they're probably scalping that break. So they're scalping it on a short side. It's a safer. It's kind of like buying a pullback, except reverse, right? You buy a pullback on the break of a low. Well, you buy a short. Well, you don't buy a short. You short on a break of high. So it's kind of like buying a pullback breakout. And see, that's where we have to watch and decide. Not decide. We have to watch and see what the buyers, the sellers are doing. Because right now, 46 and 50s, the stops are above 55 right now. You might test the stops again to 55, and then pull back real quick. Because I see it's building up. You see this little slope? You see this slope? It's building up off of this level. So 46, 43 is my area. Into that break of 50, and the shorts will come in. So I'm not expecting anything crazy. But we gotta hold here. At 32. Guys, if you're watching, hit a like. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps me out. Starting out this channel. Still 20 plus subscribers. Not much. Alright. See, it kind of holding this 30 area. Well, it's looks weak right now. The low is 32. And then the next low is 22. So if we break that 22 down, I'm sure we're going to hover around 22 area a little. And then probably break down. See, the shorts are taking over. But let's watch, and you never know, right? All of a sudden the shorts could decide to cover. And then we'll see that initial pop of volume from shorts covering. And then because of that, the longs will come in. And that's what creates that initial momentum spike into the high 50s again. And then shorts will try to scalp the break of highs again and rinse and repeat until either side will not do that again, which will dominate the other side. So gotten to 39. So it is holding this area. Watch. It might be bouncing off of that support, diagonal support line. So watch. If it's a bounce, then it'll just okay. So it looks like it's not a bounce. All right. So watch 42, 43 now. Okay, watch this to test 50 again. Watch 45. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. 50. I'm waiting for pullback. Pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 50. Why am I in at 50? I don't know. That was silly. The bid was 44. Alright. Waiting for that pullback into the 50 again. Waiting. 30 seconds. We're gonna break that 50. There it goes. There it goes. That's what I was waiting for. I'm not taking this. I missed it. I missed about 7 cents. Not taking this right now. The shorts are either getting in to test it, see if it's gonna move on their shorts, and if it's not gonna move on their shorts, then there's gonna be a squeeze over 70, 80. There it goes. 70 area. 70 and 80 area. I don't have my halt levels. 72. Yeah, that would have been a nice scalp. I missed it. Missed 7 cents. Not a lot of money, but today, considering how slow it was, I'm okay with this. Alright, 69.70 area. Watch. It's kind of a tough area. It's tough. I hate trading tops. Fishing is not really successful when you trade tops. That fill at 50 was horrible. When I saw a 45, 44 in a bid, and I got 50 fill, which is insane. Is that a pullback? 64. Let's see 64. I hate doing this, but okay, there goes. There's a volume. There's volume. I'm in. Ah, wow. That exit. I saw 68 and then I got out at 65. I got in at 64. Watch 69. Oh wow. That was pretty bad. I got in at 72. Well, now it's not looking that bad, right? 10 cents almost. I'm in. It looks like you might get 90. All right. 82, 85. It's definitely moving really slow. 1090. Okay, so we might be in the squeeze zone here. Because I know the stops are being triggered right now from all those people shorting the 50s area. That's why we saw the spike. Are we going to continue? 87. 87 and 90. Oh, look at MBOT. Did you see MBOT? MBOT just flushed 30 cents. Watch that pullback on CODX. We might test 11. Was this pullback? 81 and 89. 81 and 90. Okay. So watch that 81 break. Looking for a pullback. And I'm going to get in. There's pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 70. I'm in at 70. Alright, I want to see 75. Nope, I'm not going to see 75. Alright. It's holding that area. There it goes. That's the 75 I was looking for. Watch 78. Watch it break 75. I'm watching for the break of 75. Nope. Watching. It's holding that 72 area, which is not bad. Nope. There goes the break. Let's see if we see some green. Okay, nothing yet. Okay, there's some green right here. 75, 76. Pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 79. Whoa, what a horrible fill. What a horrible fill. I'm in. I'm trying to for it to test. I'm in at 77. 77. 76. Nope, there's no volume. Watch 80. Watch 80. Nope. I got a horrible fill at 78. That was 78 and a half, so almost 79. That was a horrible fill. Watch 80. Oh wow, look at that, those swings, man. Phew. Watch 80. Watch 76, 80. 20 seconds. Got 40 seconds until 5 minutes. 5 minutes not looking good. The volume is alright. Watch 76. Maybe he'll turn around. Watch 80, 30 seconds. Watch. I'm in. I'm gonna try. Anticipation. I'm anticipating the break. Here's the break. I want to see the bids move up. There it goes. The bids are moving up. I'm out. And I'm out too early. There it goes. 84. Pullback. There's too much pullback. People are shorting it again. It's going to be tough to get 11 out of this. But I'm glad to be up over 100 considering how the day started. But small share size today. Nothing lined up today this morning, so still watching 84, 85, but probably not. It's tough. It's probably going to retrace back. It's got to hold it's got to hold the 60s. It's got to hold the 60 area. If it doesn't hold 60, then it needs to hold 50 and then start looking back over 90. But it's a high hopes. But maybe this 1 minute pullback, it's ABCD, I don't know, in a 15 second. We'll see. One minute set up at 81, but just 5 minutes not looking good. 5 minute looks like it needs a pullback to 50 or maybe VWAP. So that's kind of what I'm talking about. This area right here, that's what I'm looking for it to pull back to 50. 50, but then maybe 48, yeah, something like that. And bought. It's doing its crazy thing. Yeah, that ambot is chop, chop, chop. Ooh. Maybe a curl here. Let's see if it's gonna curl above 70 again. Watch for this build up here, bounce over 62. Watch 62 on CODX in 40 seconds. Maybe higher right now. Let's see if it's, yep, there it goes. There's a build up. There's build up. There's build up right here. Let's see if it's gonna pop to 68, to 65, and then hold and go to 68. I'm really relying on the fill here between 57 and 60. Nope, selling off, huh? That 62 might be a 5-minute setup better. And bot is flat topping. There are buyers in the 50s, which was expected. Will we pop over 62 though? Can we scalp that 52 area in 2.5 minutes? Or will it go without us before that? What's up, Sungbai? Yeah, your morning started late, looks like, just like mine. I started late. How'd you do today? Did you trade at all? There it goes, 58. So 2 minutes until 5 minutes setup. All right. Maybe it's gonna try 62 test before the 5 minute. I just wanna be ready for it. It's kind of, I don't know if it's worth it to get in on that initial pop here. I see buyers right now. I'm in. I wanna see volume. I'm in at 55. I'm in at 55. No buyers. 50, 54. I'm in at 55. I want to see that volume pop. I want to see that volume pop. There it goes. 60. Okay. Well, if you give me 60, that's fine. I was waiting that bid to move up. It never did. It was stuck at 60. So 20 seconds for 5 minutes setup. Watch this. Watch that 60 volume build up, building up. I'm in at 63. 63, watching bids. Nope, bids are just sitting at 62. Watch for green. Watch for green. Bids are sitting at 62. Watch. Still sitting at 62. That tells you something. Now it got lower. Okay. So maybe that's a pullback. Still watching. That's a pullback. Watch that 61 break of 5 minute high. Previous 5 minute high. It's got to hold here. We got to see some volume. We got to see some green. We're not seeing green. All right, watching this right now. That's what I was waiting for. 64. 64. Watch for that green to come in. Watch for that green. Was no volume, obviously, but we might see a pop. I don't like this 4 cents, 5 cents spread. It's not good. The field's going to be on the high side of that break. I'm in at 63. All right, watching. There it goes. Watching. I'm in at 63, 64 almost, 65. I want to see green. I want to see green. 65. I want to see green. I want to see green. $65. I want to see green. I want to add on green. 64. Nope, red. Okay, so let's watch that 68 again. Sangbai, just saw your message. Sorry. Yeah, you're on vacation. Congrats, man. 73. I just missed it. I missed my trade that I was fishing. I was fishing for this 70 break and I missed it. Fishing for that 70 break and missed it. So I missed 2 trades today. One was 7 to 10 cents, and now this one was about 5 to 6 cents. And of course, I'm just piddling here with a small share size, 250 shares. That's nothing. For some of those channels that show you they take 10, 14,000 share sizes on stocks, or option trades into 100K, 20K days. But man, if you take 100 of those, okay, if you take 100 channels on YouTube about trading, that's what I found. If you take 100 channels, and you obviously going to go after channels with high number of subscribers, pretty thumbnails on videos, quality recordings, quality camera, quality views, right? Kind of an educational type of channel, and also the lure effect of high amount of gains during the trading, because there's a concept, right? There's this stereotype that trading gets you Lambo in no time, and everybody who trades gets Lambo. So that's what it's been showing us on a video, and everybody's expecting that, and they click on those videos like, okay, I'm just gonna do this, because so like everything in life, you know, like let's say your job requires you to know a decent math, you know, like a square root of 9, you should like automatically know this, right? 9 times 9, you should, like, all this stuff, like the kindergarten stuff, you should know right away, right? But then we're talking about like percentages, you know, fractions, all that stuff, that the statistics, how to find averages and all that. So you're getting a little deeper, right? But still kind of very high level, entry level stuff. What I'm trying to say is you went to school for that. You actually you actually like doing that. If you did, that's why you chose that profession, and that's why you were actually good at it. So trading is the same thing. You wanna like what you do, and you wanna learn. But imagine not knowing how square root of 9 works. What is the square root? Imagine that. Like let's say I ask you a question. What if you square the square root? What happens? What happens if you square the square root? Not a lot of people knows that. I mean, it's a basic stuff. Sangbai, do you know what happens when you square the square root? What is the square of square root 9? I don't know if you're still here. There's a curl setup going on at 64, 67. That 5-minute setup looked alright, and I missed it. It's 73. And guys, if you're watching, hit a like. Doesn't cost you anything, but it helps my channel. AERC, I'm not even watching it because I don't have DAS in front of me, so I can't. Like, I like DAS for the halt and spread, because DAS will show you spreads really quick, like that fraction of a second spread bump. I want to see that, because guess what? TOS will F you up and get you the highest fill possible. So you want to make sure you don't give that chance with the high spread. Anyone knows how RT did today? I literally had no time to set up a Discord today or anything. I woke up and I turned my PC on. That's how my morning went. And I logged in at 9:30. I was late. I literally had like 2 minutes to set up today. I'm disappointed that I missed 2 trades. So I missed about 20 cents, maybe a little less, 17, 16 cents. And then the fills on AVCT were horrible, and BFRI. Also, I don't know what happened there, because I saw the ask were 4 to 6 cents higher than the actual fill I got, but the spread's never that high, so I don't know what's up with that. So overall, it's just a dead slow day. It's just crazy. But I mean, it's expected, you know. When was it, Wednesday or Thursday? Last time yeah, it was Thursday. On the 23rd, I traded. I said that I'm not sure if I trade on Monday, because a lot of people, like some of the videos I was watching on YouTube, they were saying like they will be back on Tuesday because they thought Monday was going to be off. So I don't know why. So I actually did have to go in and freaking look at the calendar. Guys, hit a like button. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps my channel. My channel is really young. 20 subs. Nothing much, but every bit helps. Please hit a like. Doesn't cost you much or anything. I don't know if we're gonna. So might as well. Well, I don't know if I want to remove that. But see how this trend line that I drew before the 5 minute actually bounced off of it? It would have been a nice dip buy. I don't know if it's gonna cross 77 again. I think that was our last try for today. So that's the bull flag I'm looking for. Let's delete that. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna bounce off of 60 if it goes that far. Maybe, probably most like bounces 58, yeah, 55. And then going lower into the VWAP, bounce hovering around VWAP there. Probably bounce back to 50 and then lower to 25. And then people will see it selling off and then it'll just sell off. And then sell off to like 960. That's on a weaker side prediction. Or maybe someone had some champagne today with big pockets and they want to play again in stock market, and they'd be like, oh, I like CODX. Let me put $5 billion into CODX. And they just decide to move that stock, and it goes to 20. 5 halts in a row into 20. How about that? Yeah, it's looking like it's bouncing in that 50 area. Five-minute setup in 1 minute. That 55 break into the 60s. Maybe 5 cents. Scalp. Guys, if you're watching, hit a like. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps my channel. My channel is young. Every bit helps. There's a curl happening, but the volume is not there. I don't know. It seems like I'm just wasting time. My time is actually worth more than what the stock is moving, so I don't know. Gotta find a balance. So, but I'm gonna be in front of the computer regardless, so I guess that's why I'm keeping it up. Here's that break. Here's that break of 50. So VWAP is our next hope. So I'm not sure if we'll see. I'm not sure if the 5-minute setup is any good right now. There it goes. That's a push of. So that 5-minute setup right now, watching 40 seconds. Are we going to pull back, or are we just going to go on that 1-minute candle? 3 cent spread. I'm in at 55. In at 55. Watching for the volume to come in. There's some volume. I'm out. Looks like that push up worked. So 90 area. Watch that 90. Watch that 90. Ah, that would have been good scalping. I had to step away. Look at those shorts. MRIN. MRIN. It's very familiar stock. Probably news. Break of 509 into the 520. MRAN 87, 1 cent spread. That's not bad. Yeah, CODX pulled back too much. Well, no, it's 3 cent spread. MRIN 3 cent spread. 92.89. Yep. Guys, if you're watching, hit a like. Doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out. 78 on CODX. I don't know. This one is tough. $20 seconds. Next one, 5 minutes and 3 minutes. So 75 into the 78. So watching for volume build up on CODX. Because right now the volume is tapering down on 1 minute. You see it? Yep. Watch for that bump in volume right now. The break of 1 minute. Nothing happening yet. Watch for that little break. Break of volume. Got a break of that previous low volume and then break of 75. Alright, I'm seeing some volume. I'm seeing buyers on the bid. Buyers at 70. I'm in. Well, I see I'm in at 73. 73.6. Okay. 79. I want a bid to move up. Bids are up 76. Okay. That's okay. Nothing crazy. I was out I'm in at 73.6, out at 78. $80. Watching 80, but maybe in 1 minute. I don't know. My go was out. Without that 1 minute wait. Just watch. I'm not gonna take that because if it just pops to 83 and then comes back, it's not gonna be good. There it goes. So got 25 seconds. High is 85. There it goes. Pull back. 15 seconds. Pull back. 10 seconds. 86. 86. It's like dead. I'm in on this pullback. I'm in at 79. Will we see green? 79. That's nothing. I'm out at 80. I didn't like that fill. Watching 85 again. That flash down was quick. I was actually, it looked like it was building up. I was anticipating, but there was a misread on my part. For sure. $84. And we're selling off. All right. Rinse and repeat. Gotta start over and wait. I'm just going to be doing my thing and having the screen up. Just keeping an eye on anything popping. I think I'm gonna call it a day. There's nothing moving, not worth my time. Still have to do a recap. Glad to be up. Green. Not a crazy day. Couple misses. Missed what, 3 trades? Just a late start for me. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be better. Thank you guys. Watch for a recap video coming out today. And hit a like. Helps my channel. Doesn't cost you anything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.